Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm excited to share with you my hands-on review of the HP Envy Inspire 7958E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer. This printer is packed with features that make it perfect for home use, and I'm eager to dive into the details. From printing documents to quality borderless photos, this device can handle it all. With print speeds of up to 10 pages per minute in color and 15 pages per minute in black, you'll be able to get your work done quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of the HP Envy Inspire 7958E is the inclusion of HP Plus Smart features. By activating HP Plus, you'll get access to advanced features like mobile printing, security, and automatic updates. This means you can print from your smartphone or tablet with ease, and you'll always have the latest features and security updates. HP Plus only works with an HP account, internet connection, and HP ink for the life of the printer, so you can be sure you're getting the best possible experience. I've been using HP Plus for a while now, and I can attest to how convenient it is to be able to print from anywhere, at any time. Another key feature of the HP Envy Inspire 7958E is its ability to print, copy, scan, and even fax right from your smartphone, tablet, or PC using the HP Smart app. This app is incredibly easy to use, and it makes it simple to manage your printing tasks on the go. Whether you need to print a document, scan a photo, or copy an important paper, the HP Smart app has got you covered. I've been impressed by how seamless the app is and how it integrates perfectly with the printer. Plus, with features like automatic two-sided printing, advanced photo features, and a separate photo tray, you'll be able to create professional-looking prints with ease. Now, let's talk about the photo printing capabilities of the HP Envy Inspire 7958E. This printer is capable of producing vibrant, true-to-phone quality prints that look amazing. With custom photo features in the HP Smart app, you can edit and enhance your photos before printing. And the printer even supports unique photo paper sizes like 5x5-inch square and 4x12 panoramic. I've printed out some of my favorite photos using the HP Envy Inspire 7958E, and I've been blown away by the quality. The colors are rich and vibrant, and the level of detail is impressive. Whether you're printing out photos for a scrapbook or just want to decorate your home with some favorite memories, this printer is up to the task. In conclusion, the HP Envy Inspire 7958E wireless all-in-one color inkjet printer is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a reliable and feature-rich printing solution for their home. With its advanced HP Plus Smart features, easy-to-use HP Smart app, and vibrant photo printing capabilities, this printer is sure to meet all your printing needs. So, if you're in the market for a new printer, I highly recommend checking out the HP Envy Inspire 7958E. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on one today and experience the power of HP's most trusted printer brand for yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews and content, and I'll catch you all in the next video.